Yoga Nidra. What is Yoga Nidra? A yogi enjoys a special kind of sleep known as Chaitan Nidra. Sleep contains two elements, rest and unconsciousness. But in Yoga Nidra, one has full consciousness and enjoys complete rest. Yoga Nidra plays an important role in removing tension. Yoga Nidra gives happiness and freedom from tensions. It revives freshness and energy in a person which cannot be possibly attained in the ordinary sleep. These benefits can be derived only from deep sleep. But in Yoga Nidra, the mind is restored to unique peace and joy. The body becomes as light as flower and completely relaxed. A layman cannot attain this state of tranquility. The reason is obvious. The very moment sleep dawns, dream state starts. Even after 6 or 8 hours sleep, one feels broken and fatigued. In the dream state, the entire nervous system as well as fluctuations of mind continue to be activated. Even though the body lies on the bed in a static condition, the mind is neither stable nor peaceful. The greatest benefit of Yoga Nidra is that it restores both our body and mind to complete peace and restfulness. The sadhak should know clearly that real rest is enjoyed when our mind is restored to a peaceful state. For example, our mind is a bundle of thoughts. Whenever we are confronted by crisis or an incident of extreme joy or sorrow, we cannot get a wink of sleep. Hence, our mind, when at rest, is actually the source of sleep and rest and not the body. It is therefore essential that Yoga Nidra should be made an important part of our daily life. This is useful for all. Yoga Nidra has proved to be most effective in curing tension, disease of high blood pressure, and other mental diseases. It coordinates all the system in the body. As a result, their normal function is sufficiently improved. Fatigue of the body is removed. Visualizing the body internally, the mind is drawn inward. Finally, Yoga Nidra is also helpful in purification of Chitta to some extent. Mental observation. Start observing the body with the mind's eye, just as a standing person observes another person lying down on the floor. Now, direct the mind, lie down on the floor. Visualize your body. Keep a distance between both the feet. Keep both the hands by the side of your thighs. Totally your spinal cord is on the floor. Keep the head straight or turn toward the left or right, whichever position you are comfortable. Observe with your inner eye. Your toes are relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Your heels are relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Your ankles are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your calf muscles are relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Your knees are relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Your knee joints are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your thighs are relaxing. Relax, relax. Your hips are relaxing. Hip joints are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your kidneys are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your genital organs are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your liver and pancreas are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your large intestines are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your liver and pancreas are relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Your whole abdominal muscles are relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Your navel is relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Your chest is relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Your hearted lungs are relaxing. Relax, relax, and relax. Parathyroid glands are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your shoulders are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your elbows are relaxing. Relax, relax. Your wrist is relaxing. Relax, relax. Your palms are relaxing. Relax, relax. Fingers are relaxing. Relax. Including bicep, your both hands are relaxing. Relax, relax. Your throat is relaxing. Relax, relax. Your chin is relaxing. Your lips are relaxing. Relax, relax. Your teeth, tongue, upper palate are relaxing. Relax, relax. Your ears are relaxing. Relax, relax. Nostrils are relaxing. Relax, relax. Your eyes are relaxing. Relax, relax. Eyelashes are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Your forehead is relaxing. Relax, relax. Your brain is relaxing. Your skull is relaxing. Relax. All the Sapta chakras of your body are relaxing. Relax. Toe to the head, all organs of your body are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. This is how you keep concentrate all organs of your body in awaken, that is yoga nidra.